Now today we are studying about next tab is insert tab. So we can use by insert tab inserting any object in our slide. So first we take a blank slide. Okay. Uh, delete this slide. Okay. Now insert. In this there are different formatting options is a table, image, illustrations, link, text, symbols and media. So first we start free picture. From picture we can insert any picture from our picture library. Like we can select from this picture and insert. Now this picture is insert in our slide and this picture is selected. Look, this is selected. This means this green dot means we can put our mouse pointer and this is in rotation form. Now we rotate our picture in any direction. Okay. uh, now now when our picture object is select, then it's open its picture to the formatting option and this content remove background. It's remove the background. If any other correction, it correct like that. You can see it correct. Correction is applied. Color, from color we can change the color. Artistic effect, there is some different artistic effects so that compress picture, we can compress our picture. Okay, so it's compressed. Change picture, from this again picture library open and we can select any picture and open and this picture is replaced along with it. And reset picture, reset it, take previous position as it is. Picture style, this option is used for take style, apply a different style your picture. Okay, from there you can see this. Picture border, you can apply picture border at your requirement. No outline, more outline color, weightage, how much point you have to apply your picture border, then this take from weightage. Picture layout, if you lay out your picture in this form, then it's apply like that. Okay, and you can type here. This, okay, so you can close. This is applied. If you change again, that is press one control Z, press, then it's again comes to its previous form. Again align, it's set the your picture as a aligned left, center, right, top, middle, bottom, as you can see. Okay, rotate, you can rotate your picture from this horizontal, vertical, left, right by degree. Crop, you can crop your picture from this. Crop, and cut your picture and remove unnecessary part. Okay. Height and weight, this is increase the height and width of your picture. Okay. Insert group, clip art. Clip art, again we take a blank slide, clip art. From clip art, it's open in right side a clip art navigation panel and search for option. We can search here to find any clip art. If you do not type here, then directly click go to button, and there is a all clip art options pictures open, and you can select any of them and apply here. And as usual, you select this and picture tools format option open, and all of type of formatting options you can apply from this to this. Screenshot, take a screenshot from your any image from desktop, and we it apply on our slides. So this is a screenshot. Photo album, you can create a photo album from this. So for this, when you click in photo albums option, it open a photo album window, and insert from picture from option. File disk means you can insert your picture from your hard disk, and click on it and select your pictures and insert option, click, and create option, click, and now this photo album is created. And you can change from this is photo album. Again, shapes, we can take another slide also. Design shapes, you can insert different type of shapes from this, like smiley, and this select this, and its drawing tool open, it's a formatting option open, and we can apply different type of formatting from this. Shape fills, you can fill your shapes. Shape outline, you can outline your shapes. Weightage, border weightage, outline weightage. Shapes effect, different type of shapes effects are available, like reflection. This is a word art style. In this option we use for different type of word art. Text fill, text outline. If you um, type any text, then this option is used. And this align, rotate, you can rotate your object, and align, you can align your object as your requirement. Okay. Smart art, smart art, again we take a blank slide. Smart art it represent some smart graphic options which is used for uh, designing a process. Like this, there is a different type of smart arts, so we can see like cycle. Okay, you can type text here and type like apple, mango, cherry, banana, and nuts. You can see here, this is your smart art. This is your graphical presentation of processing. Now if you want to change your color, then select this. It's a smart art format options, design options open. You can change color from this, and you can also change its style. This is 3D style. Insert chart. Chart option, it represent data in your chart form. Select any chart from this and uh, click OK, and it represent different type of chart. This, like this and this. Okay. Okay. Now we move hyperlink and action. Then hyperlink is used to create a link, and it is used to jump one page to another page quickly. Text box, we take another option. Text box, it is used to type a text. Okay, and we can apply in text formats, different type formats. You can see from this. Okay, and you can also increase its shape style, shape size. Okay. Header and footer are applies on bottom and top. It is uh, define page number or slide number, date, extra. This is date, and this is okay. Word art. Word art is allowed to type a text in animated form or a design form, like that. You text here, so we can type. Okay. Now it is select. So is formatting options. We can change from this shadows effect, allow shadows, reflection, glow, as you can see. So when you want to formatting any object, first of all it selected by you. When you select your object, then you can format on it. Okay. Date and time, it is available format, so it apply on our slide, like that. Slide number, if you want to apply slide numbers, then click on and this check in slide number and apply it to all. So this is number 5 slide. As you can see, this is 3 number slide, this is 2 number slide. So you can see this is the number of slide. Object, you can insert any object from your computer system, create from file or a create new. Okay. Equation. Equation, it is used when we need any mathematical or scientific calculation doing, then this option is used. And symbol, we can insert any type of symbol at our slide or a work, like that. So video and audio, we can also insert video and audio file in our slide to represent uh, some movable project or some audible sound signals. And when we running our slide from beginning, then all of the options are work. And next is design. There are different type of design. We can change any design of our slide number and apply to all to look attractive, like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay, student, so you can learn and be safe. Okay, goodbye.